What she do? She try to test Superman. Kal-El, talking about Lois Lane. He like, Lois, you talking crazy. She back jumped a little railing. She jumped off the rail. What Superman do? Kal-El, he still saved her. Noble Drew Ali has a picture, an illustration, where he picking up the Moorish woman out of the water, which is the cares of the world. He's doing it because that's our job. Our job as Moorish men are the divine protectors of you Moorish women, you melanated women. We can only save you if you are open to receive guidance, if you open to receive direction and correction. If you're not open to receive direction, guidance, and correction, can't nobody save you.
I'm so sure that you're Superman that I'm willing to bet my life on it.
What?
Now, if I'm right, you'll turn into Superman. And if I'm wrong, you've got yourself one hell of a story.
You think I'm Superman? Boy, you certainly have some imagination, Lois. For a minute there, you almost had me convinced. For a minute.
Bye-bye, baby.
Oh, my God.
Superman!
Get the bag!
What?